Welcome. Now, in this module, we're going to talk about risk management and provide a very brief introduction about risk management and its concepts and key characteristics. And we're going to refer to ISO 31000-2018, which is, there's a little bit of detail in the URL that is shown on the screen. Now, figure 3 from ISO 31000 provides a very nice layout, as you can see on the screen. And there are three fundamental characteristics of the ISO 31000 risk management standard or framework. The first one is that there is detail related to the risk management framework itself. And then we have risk management principles. And finally, we have a risk management process. Let's take a look at these three elements separately. So in the risk management framework, there are 5 different components, which is all related to leadership and commitment. There is integration, there is design, there is implementation, there is evaluation, and finally improvement of the risk management program. So these are the framework components, and there are 5 components for risk management. Then we have 8 principles for risk management: integrated, structured and comprehensive, customized, inclusive, dynamic, best available information, human and cultural factors to be addressed, of course, and continual improvement. And then there is a risk management process. So there's a table here and a diagram starting with scope, context, and criteria, which have to be cleared. And you have a risk assessment sequence, risk identification, risk analysis, risk evaluation, and finally risk treatment based on the risk assessment. And then on the fringes, we have communication and consultation, and we have monitoring and review as activities going on. And all of this is being recorded and reported. So let's take a look at ISO 31000 risk management objectives. And this will help us to understand what we're trying to achieve when we talk about risk management, or what is risk management. ISO 31000 states that the guidelines for risk management should be used by people who create and protect value in organizations by managing risks, making decisions, setting and achieving objectives, and improving performance. And ISO 31000 states that the purpose of risk management is the creation and protection of value. So risks in an organization, of course, exist. Risk exists in every business, in every organization, in every activity. And the objective of risk management is to make sure that we can minimize, reduce, to a great extent eliminate, but not completely eliminate, of course, those factors which can harm the organization. So this was an introduction, a brief introduction to risk management. We're talking about ISO 31000, and in the next module, we'll take a look at more features and more characteristics of ISO 31000. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.